Let's take a look at how we can create a logo on a product. And I will show you two ways how we can do this. Sometimes one is easier than the other one. Before, however, we can do this, we need to find a good logo. So here you see I just went to Google, typed in Harman Kardon logo. Actually, here's a comments.wikimedia.org, which means that stuff there is for common use, so I can use it. Very good. Here, when I go to the website, then there's the SVG. What's really important is that you want to find a nicely high resolution image, and you also want to find a logo that ideally has a transparent background already. This is an SVG I could download, which I would have to convert into a PNG with an alpha background. But also here there is like PNG versions, 200 pixels, way too small. 1000 is actually pretty good. I downloaded this one. So when I go to Finder, and here's the project folder, there you see there is this image with the transparent background. The bigger the image, the better. This does not have to be a logo that is that large. Essentially, as a tip, the logos you want to find, they should be a little bit bigger than on than the way you would show them inside your rendering. So when we go to Blender and go to the front view, let's say here you zoom in, Control Space, full screen, and there you can see how big this logo is, left and right. So it should be obviously ideally double as big. So maybe from here to here, and we project it onto there. Okay, project it onto there. How do we do this? It's actually super easy. So let's go into edit mode. And you see here, I have this image in the background. Hold on, I'll go back to object mode, and yep, I want to select this one, and I will G and X bring this back onto the center, so I can roughly see left and right how big this logo will be. Okay, back to edit mode. Now I see, hey, these are, when this is the center point, these are the 6 faces I need to unwrap. Okay, so new material, glossy, and assign, and then we go to here, new material, and we can call this one glossy logo. So I know now what material that is. Assign, very good. Okay. Now we want to have the logo on that one. So image, open. Here's the logo inside the UV editor. Okay, so there I can see now, this is how big this logo is. So this was unwrapped. We can actually go unwrap from view or unwrap from bounds. This is actually better. You see then it stretches it all over the image. So the UVs are, as you can see, now they are a little bit stretched. So you see this is not as white than here. So we need to do a little bit of adjustments. But that's very easy to do. So now to see the image there, add texture, image, there we are. We could put this onto there, but then we're replacing the color maybe with this logo. Where's the logo? There. Okay. It's not really popping up there. Hey, what's going on? Ship. Let's see. Well, something is happening there. Hold on. So let me see where the problem is. Go there. This one. Interesting. Okay. Shift A, color, mix RGB. And then the alpha we put into the factor, and then say here, make this red. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. I thought actually via the color we can just drag this right in. What I'm going to show you is what we wanted to do anyway. So drag this back. This is our material color now, and this is all the reflectivity. So our logo, we want to be white. So red is the background. So this is going to be our background, and this will be our logo. Clock there. See? So again, now just to make this understandable, this is an image that has a transparent background. We UV mapped it over the geometry, and then we use the alpha, not the color information, and use this as a mix factor to mix between this original body color and white for the logo, and put this onto it. Cool. Okay, so now we can adjust things a little bit. In the UV editor, I will go to bounding box. First, I don't really want to have this copyright logo. Is it on there? No, it's not. Very good. Okay, then let's not do this. So here, G and X, we now try to center this a little bit more. And to make this easy, I select those three, SX0, and also here, SX0. I'm just trying to clean this up. Tick, A, S and X, and try to scale this till this frames actually the text perfect. Now you see how the H and N is really on the edge now. So if I now press S and X and scale from the center, you see how the image slightly decreases. Then that copy logo comes in. Okay, well, let's show this. We have this in there. Okay, here actually now this piece comes in too, which is not really what I want. So how can we fix this? Go to here, repeat, and say clip. Now we only have this piece one time. You see we can move this around freely and position the text. Perfect. Height-wise, this is stretched. So S and Y, we scale this. There, look at that. See, that is how easy actually logo UV unwrapping can be when we select a particular set of faces and then map the image on it. The trick here really is not to have the texture repeat, but just only clip, and then we can scale this. This is really helpful here with the overlay to see till proportionally this looks good. Yeah. There we are. We have some funny faces there. So what's going on here? Ah, wrong material. Glossy assign, bonk. So this is part one. Downside of this is I cannot adjust the glossiness of the white text. If, for example, everything is sandblasted, but the logo are high glossy printed over it, that doesn't work because this material is all defined through here. The color is just adjusted by the logo, and we use the same color for the main plastic material to show the surrounding of the logo. So this actually blends together, because otherwise now you would, oh, I shouldn't have, oh yeah, there we can see this now, how this actually looks indeed different, no? Yeah. So this is actually just copy and paste, a visual trick, blending parts. In the next video, then I will show you how we can actually put a logo on it so it looks like it's printed on it.